So we're making some cheeseburger macaroni. So if your kids don't like eating, this is for you. Okay, they're gonna get their protein from this also, and they have some milk, some cheese on it. So make them this and thank me later. So I'm making this for dinner. Okay, so when I make this, they finish it. Even my first one, since he's not gonna eat. So when I made it, I give him the first plate. He finished everything. I want the seconds. So I start by browning my beef. Okay, after browning it, I sieve some excess oil from it. Okay, yeah, so before adding all my stuff, right? So this recipe doesn't require too much spices, so yeah, just make it just add some little black pepper, salt, some adobo and other stuff, so it has its own natural taste. When you make it, you're gonna like it. So everybody eat and finish it, nothing remains. That's how good it is. Make sure you try it, make it for your kids, they're gonna love it. Okay, if they don't like to eat meat, make it for them. Okay, my kids, when I give them chicken, they will not eat. Give them this, they will not eat. But when I make this with the meat on it, they get their protein and all that stuff, right? So I added the milk, the cheese, some water. I didn't add full cup of water, some half cup of water. So this is actually what I use in making this. I didn't add anything else, right? So try this recipe if you haven't tried it before. It's not only for kids, for adults, so everybody can have it. Okay, very good. Let me know what you think. Please, if you watch up to this point, if you haven't subscribed, make sure you click the subscribe button. Yeah, if you're here for the first time, my name is Chika, a mom here in the US. Filming my little daily life. Okay, yeah. So don't forget to hit the subscribe button to subscribe to my channel and watch my videos. Okay, yeah. So this is it. I'm not gonna add add the macaroni and stay a little bit, not stay too much, and how to keep it on a low heat. Okay, so it can be able to get done very well and nicely. Yeah, so I test there's no salt. I have to add a little bit of salt to it, right? So let me know what you think in the comment section, if you're gonna try it or not. Okay, so I encourage you to try it, so you can, your kids, if you have a kid or you alone, you can try it to have that yummy macaroni and cheese. It's very nice. It's very nice, guys. So I did it again. Yeah, add a little bit of salt to it, and that's it. Allow it to cook, no pressure, right? So the food is done. I'm gonna add this shot for baby boy, for my big boy. So earlier he was telling me he's not gonna eat, but after he ate one spoon, he finished everything and asked for another one. I'm like, yeah, you see. So that is it. Such is life.